am Danielle Valiente with Atmosphere Salon, and our question is how to make highlighted hair look its best. You've gotten these beautiful highlights. Now, how do you keep them looking great in between your visits to the salon? I always recommend some blonding products that will keep the hair strong and healthy and hydrated, as well as keep your blondes light and bright. And it's always also a great idea to incorporate perhaps maybe once a week, twice a week. You'll know based on when your highlights start to look a little too gold for you, but a Platinum Blonde shampoo. And what the Platinum Blonde shampoo does is it helps to do some toning to the highlights, keeps their tone beautiful and light and bright, and really helps to maintain those highlights in between your visits to the salon. So how to make highlighted hair look its best? Proper at-home care in between your visits to the salon. I'm Danielle Valiente with Atmosphere Salon.